Why has a site in India's crucial tiger corridor been cleared for mining despite the State Wildlife Board saying no? 18,000 trees will be chopped, 12,000 species of plants and trees will be impacted, scores of wild animals including tigers will be impacted. All of this in exchange for promises of 120 jobs and 24/7 water supply by a private company. This is the gist of a proposed mining project approved by the Devendra Fadnavis chaired Maharashtra State Board for Wildlife (SBWL) in Chandrapur district, in the heart of the reserve forest zone in Brahmapuri Division. What's the big deal? The corridor is adjacent to the Godazari Wildlife Sanctuary, connects the source population of tigers in the Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve, Maharashtra's largest national park, and to the Brahmapuri Gadchiroli landscape and other northern tiger-bearing forests. Who's the bidder? Sunflag Iron and Steel Company Limited, a Nagpur-based firm and one of India's largest steel producers. What is alarming is that the approval was granted despite the SBWL's own expert committee recommending against it. The three-member committee in 2024 said this: there will be irreversible damage to the site's ecology if any mining is conducted. The project offers jobs to just 120 local individuals, of whom only 32 would be permanent staff. No study has been conducted on the zone of influence around the 35 hectares of the mine. Additional forest land will have to be cleared for road and transportation leading up to the mine. And most importantly, a rise in tiger-human conflict which the locals are already finding hard to deal with. 47 deaths were reported last year in Chandrapur due to tiger attacks. Experts say that these attacks are already on the rise due to existing irrigation projects and other maybe essential development work. One man from Chandrapur is standing up against this project and here's what he has to say.
चंद्रपुर जिले में सबसे ज्यादा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जो है ब्रह्मपुरी डिवीजन में है। अगर कॉरिडोर में कहीं पे भी हम माइनिंग एक्टिविटीज है, अदर डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटीज अगर हम करते हैं तो निश्चित तौर पे वो कॉरिडोर डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से टाइगर एक जंगल से दूसरी ओर जा नहीं पाएंगे और सीमित एरिया में अपना बसेरा या अपना हैबिटेट वगैरह बना लेता है और उसको स्वीकार कर लेता है, जिसकी वजह से पर्टिकुलर एरिया में टाइगर पॉपुलेशन ज्यादा हो चुकी है। टाइगर जब बड़े हो जाएंगे, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जब आएंगे तो उनको अपना टेरिटोरी बनाना पड़ेगा, जो निश्चित तौर पे ऐसे खेती के एरिया में जाएंगे जहां पे उनको कैटल इजीली मिलेगा और वहां से कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्रिएट होना शुरू हो जाएगा।
Put simply, the more forests are fragmented, the more human-wildlife conflict rises. So for the locals, this isn't just an environmental issue but also a life and death issue. According to the SBWL committee that was formed, just these 35 hectares have at least 5 tigers, scores of other wild animals and about 12,000 species of plants and trees. All hopes of environmentalists now rely on the National Board for Wildlife, that is the NBWL. The project will not be able to proceed if the NBWL rejects it. Read this full report on the Quint's website to know more about the project, its impact and the possible consequences in terms of human-animal conflict, pollution and destruction of environment.